Hello friends, in the last video we have seen an essential life process of the cell division, one of the cell division, that is the mitosis. Today we are going to study the next cell division, which is also a very important for the existence of the living organisms on the earth, and that is the meiosis. That meiosis, as we have seen, that meiosis occur in only germ cells, the germ cells which are present in the gonads, and in the completion of the meiosis cell division there is a formation of the 4 haploid cells, that is the gametes or the spores, from a single diploid cell, that is the germ cell. That meiosis is a cell division which completed in 2 stages. Those 2 stages, these are the meiosis first and meiosis second. In the meiosis first, in a prophase first of the meiosis first, that is in a packaging, there is a recombination or the crossing over occurs between the homologous chromosomes, and thereafter those homologous chromosomes, these homologous chromosomes which are not as sister chromatids, these homologous chromosomes, they get divided into 2 groups, and thus 2 haploid cells are formed. In this way, these 2 haploid cells are again enter into the meiosis second. Here, as you see here, that we have seen that in a meiosis first, that is in a prophase first of the meiosis, there is a recombination or crossing over occurs in between the homologous chromosomes, and due to this recombination or the crossing over, that is we see the varieties of the living organisms, or it is also essential for the diversity of these living organisms on this earth, that crossing over occurs in a meiosis first, that is in a prophase. This prophase get divided into 4 stages or 4 phases, that is first phase is a liptotin, second one zygotin, third one pachytin, and fourth one is a diplotin. In these 4 stages, these chromosomal material, they are in a different forms. The chromosome material in a liptotin, that is, it is in a thin thread-like structures. Chromosomal material here in a liptotin, it is like a thin threads. Liptotins means thin threads. That is in zygotin, these chromosomal materials, they are in a paired. That is in a zygotin, the chromosome material, they are in a paired one, and in a pachytin there is a crossing over or the recombination of the genetic material that occurs in a pachytin, and in the last, that is in diplotin, these chromosomes or the chromosomal material, they become thick threads. That is in a diplotin, they become thick threads of this chromosomal material. These are the various 4 stages of the prophase first. First one is a liptotin, another zygotin, third one is a pachytin, where the actual recombination or the crossing over occur between homologous chromosomes. And in a 4th stage, that is in diplotin, this chromosomal material become thick threads. That we have seen that in the meiosis first, that is recombination and crossing over occur between the homologous chromosomes, and thereafter these homologous chromosomes get divided, get separated into 2 groups, and thus 2 haploid cells or the gametes, they are formed. in this cell division. Next, that is the actual how this process of this meiosis first takes place. That meiosis first has been divided into 4 main phases, that is prophase first, metaphase first, anaphase first, and telophase first, and after the telophase there is a cytokinesis. In the prophase first, what we have observed there, here these chromosomes in a prophase, they are thin thread like structures. Here the breakdown of these nuclear membrane takes place. Disappearance starts here of the nucleolus and nuclear envelope, that is the nuclear membrane. Here we see the homologous chromosomes. Here is a pair of homologous chromosomes. In this, these centrioles, they get separated and they move towards the opposite pole of the cell here in a prophase first. In a prophase there are 4 phases, that is first one is a liptotin, zygotin, facetin and diplotin. When this prophase get completed, that cell enters into the metaphase. In the metaphase, we have seen in the metaphase the chromosomes they get condensed here, and these chromosomes they are arranged at an equatorial plane, that is at a central plane, and these spindle fibers they get attached towards the centrioles. हे जे सेंट्रोमियर आहे, या सेंट्रोमियरला हे स्पिंडल फायबर्स, अपोजिट पोलचे जे स्पिंडल फायबर्स आहेत, these spindle fibers, spindle fibers are the special types of the protein fibers, and the position of this chromosomal material, that is they get arranged at the parallel to the equatorial plane or the central plane. And this centriole, then this cell, that cell undergoes the anaphase first. In the anaphase, here there is a separation of homologous chromosomes, not a sister chromatids. Sister chromatids are still attached to each other in this phase. Here what happens? There is a separation of these homologous chromosomes takes place, and they get attracted towards the opposite poles. They here sister chromatids, they are still they are attached here in an anaphase first. In the anaphase we have seen that the shape of the chromosomes, it is like a bunch of banana. Here, after the completion of this anaphase first, the cell undergoes the telophase first. In the telophase, as we know that this chromosomal material, they reaches at the equatorial plane. Here, the nuclear membrane starts to appear, nucleolus also starts to appear, and there is a formation of a cleavage or a notch in between the two nuclei of the cell, and this cleavage or the notch goes on increasing, and after the cytokinesis, 2 cells are formed. The meiosis first, these 2 cells they undergoes the meiosis second. In the meiosis second stage is as like a mitosis. Means here in the meiosis first there is a formation of haploid cells. Meiosis first मध्येच काय होतं इथं? There is a formation of haploid cells, and these cells undergoes the meiosis second, and meiosis second or the meiosis part second is like a mitosis cell division. In this stage, the 2 form haploid cell daughter cells, they undergo the division by separation of the recombined sister chromatids. That is, the two haploid cells which are formed in the meiosis first, they undergo the division by the separation of recombined sister chromatids, and 4 haploid daughter cells are formed here. The process of the formation of the gametes and spore formation occurs by the such type of the cell division that we call the meiosis cell division. In this type of the cell division, 4 haploid cells or daughter cells are formed from a single diploid cell. During this type of the cell division, crossing over occurs between the 2 homologous chromosomes, and thereby, and due to the crossing over or the recombination, thereby the genetic recombination occurs, and due to this, all these 4 daughter cells, they are genetically different from the parent cell and from each others also. Then how this type of the cell division or meiosis occurs here? The meiosis second is just like a mitosis cell division. In the meiosis second, first is a prophase second. Here, that is, the microtubules reform and attach to the sister chromatids. There is a separation of the or division of the centriole, and the centrioles moves towards the opposite poles. Then here in a metaphase first, the chromosomes, they come at a parallel to the equatorial plane or central plane. Then there is a formation of the spindle fibers, they get attached to the chromosomal centromere. Then in anaphase second, here these sister chromatids, they get separated here. The chromatids or sister chromatids separate here, and independent daughter chromosomes are formed. One chromatin moves towards each pole of the cell. Then when this type of the cell division completes, जेव्हा या प्रकारची हे anaphase second complete होते, then cell undergoes the telophase second. Here in a telophase second, nuclear envelope or nuclear material, nuclear membrane starts to appear, and chromosomes decondensate here in this phase, that is the telophase second. And here is a formation of a cleavage or a notch which is formed here in the division, that is in this phase, telophase second, and this cleavage goes on increasing, and after that, after the completion of the karyokinesis, cytokinesis takes place here, and 2 different cells that is formed from a single haploid cell. एका haploid cell पासून 2 आणि next haploid cell पासून again 2 haploid cells are formed. In this way, the meiosis occurs. So we have seen in this type of the cell division, this type of the cell division occurs in a germ cells. The germ cells, they are present in a gonads, that is in a testes and ovaries. Here the germ cell undergoes the reductional cell division, that is the number of chromosomes, they become half, so it is a reductional cell division. In such type of the cell division, the number of chromosomes become half. 4 haploid daughter cells are formed from a single diploid cell. So here this topic is completed. We will see or we will visit in a next topic. Thank you.